It's 6:20 in the morning, and we walk like 15 minutes in the dark streets to get to the bus stop.
There's only one bus that leaves today that I found. The other ones were all sold out, and it leaves at 6:50 a.m. So we have to get here really early, and we're hoping we don't miss it because it's not like as you see, it's not a major bus stop.
Trip from Plitvice Lakes to Zagreb usually take 2 to 3 hours, depend on the company that provide the bus service. It's a good idea to buy tickets in advance because there are only few buses in a day and many local people ride in them when they go into work or to school, especially during weekdays.
Made it to the central station, and now we're going to walk over to 10-minute walk over to the Sheraton hotel that we're staying at.
Yeah, but here also I think you can catch a bus, you can catch a tram, you can get taxi, you can get Uber from here. Sheraton Hotel is about 10 minutes walk from Central Bus Station. This place located not far from Central Square and overall around were many restaurants and shops. Hotel was old school designed, but it makes you feel like you're a rich person from 90s or 80s movie, so I actually like that vibes. Also rooms are very well maintained, a lobby is spacious. Here you can also find restaurant and piano bar.
Room. They combined 2 rooms to make it a suite. 231 and 229.
Corner suite in Sheraton Zagreb is 2 rooms combined in one. First is a bedroom with comfortable king-size bed, working table, TV, tea kettle, small couch, coffee table and fridge. Second room was a living room with comfortable couch, chairs, working table, bigger TV and cabinet with coffee machine and another tea kettle. Also there was 2 wardrobes, each of them had safe and ironing board with iron. 2 bathrooms were nice and modern with the bathtubs. From second floor you can walk downstairs to spa and gym area, also to restaurant and piano bar. Speaking about breakfast, it starts at 6:30 in the morning. It's traditional food like eggs, toast, fruits and vegetables. You can also custom order things like, for example, eggs Benedict. Also you can get some espresso, coffee or cappuccino there. It's not a big variety, but everything was delicious. Entrance to gym area, spa and swimming pool before 9 p.m. through the reception desk. Swimming pool closed at 9 p.m, but gym opens 24/7. Gym was big and had really good equipment. Day we arrived, we had time to go to free walking tour. We used Free Spirit Tour Company. Tour starts at 11 a.m. near Ban Jelačić statue on the Ban Jelačić Square and take about 2 hours walk around historical center. Tour guide was funny and interesting guy. He spoke perfect English and he also apparently speak German. We really enjoyed this tour, so would definitely recommend you to check it out. guide mentioned that there is a mushroom museum around, so we decided to visit it. Museum located in an old house that was built in 1937. You can take the elevator to second floor and ring the doorbell. Tickets was 25 kuna per person. In my opinion, it's not quite a museum, but more like a big collection of the mushrooms. There is labels with names and information about poisonous of the fungi. It was interesting to see, but I would say that there is not enough information, so you have to Google a lot yourself.
It's 6:30 in the morning right now. Of course, this is a major city, so there's just going to be some people, but it's pretty quiet right now compared to the afternoon. Right?
Yeah, here's also a fountain where some people believe, like legend says, that Zagreb started. There is some legend about beautiful girl and the king.
That's how the name became.
And also beautiful buildings around. Some of them kind of like communist era, some of them 19th centuries. So yeah, everything pretty.
Yeah, we're basically going to follow right now. We're going to follow the same route that the walking tour went yesterday. So yeah, come along with us on this tour.
So next morning we decided to walk the same route that we took during free walking tour. It was nice and quiet around Ban Jelačić Square, and we took closer look to the Manduševac fountain. Famous Zagreb Catholic Cathedral closed now because of restoration work after earthquake, so we could only see it from outside, and also take a close look to one of the fallen tower's cross that sits next to entrance on the ground. Dolac market starts open around 6 am. It's typical for Eastern and Southern Europe half-open air market, where a lot of locals buy their weekly food supply. There are also separate areas for fish produce and underground area for meat and cheese.
Cause all is that
the market, we walked to Blood Bridge and to Ivan Kalčić Street. Street famous with its restaurant and bars. Then we decided to climb up the Love Rail scenic point and walk to the Luršak Tower. At noon, cannons shoot from this tower. This is one of the famous local landmarks. Stonegate is one of the sacred places for religious people because of Saint Mary icon. Here you can often see people praying. Saint George and the dragon statue is right near the stone gate. There are three beautiful parks right next to each other, like King Tomislav Square, Park Jozefa Jurija Strossmayera, and Zrinjevac Park. They all very walkable and well maintained with beautiful fountains and flower beds.
We are at Medvedgrad.
Entrance. You can also catch a bus here, but I think it's easier to catch Uber from the center of the Zagreb. It's only 10 euros, or maybe 15 in like rush hour.
Yeah, it took about 15 minutes maybe to get up here. It's a windy road.
There's a lot of here. There's like hiking trails, so if you like hiking, that's probably the place for you to go. Just be careful if it's rainy. It's could be slippery, and you can fall down the hill.
Yep. So let's walk up. Let's make our way up and check out the castle.
You can buy tickets near the entrance in the booths. Tickets for adults is 60 kuna per person. When I looked at Medvedgrad and Google Maps, I did not realize how big and impressive this place. It is a medieval fortified town located on the south slope of Medvednica mountain, built in 1254, encouraged by Pope Innocent IV, right after Mongol invasion which destroyed Gradec and capital. It has been overlooked in Zagreb for 800 years. Castle was restored a couple years ago, so now it's interactive museum where you can find out about history and also local flora and fauna, and also enjoy outstanding view of Medvednica mountain.
This is a kitchen where they cooked all their stuff. And here you have like the menu. Drunken venison, cabbage cooked the Italian way. Strukli. Strukli. And then you press it and it shows you how they cook it, what it is, and how it's cooked. Churn page, almond cake. This is pretty well
Like great, like educational thing.
The most valuable building in Medvedgrad is considered to be the unique octagonal chapel of Saint Philip and Jakob, built in 13th century. Wood around the castle is a perfect place for hiking. It's about 1 hour walk to nearby town Shestine. Along the trail you can see signs with approximate distance and time to next destination. From Shestine it's easy to catch bus or Uber to Zagreb. Thank you for watching. We're going to talk more about Zagreb in the next video. Hope this one was helpful for you. Bye!